Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Windows wallpaper disappears after a Windows update, then please watch this video. Now, this is just normal. Even in my case, the Windows wallpaper has changed recently. So, this can happen because updating Windows can fudge the settings at times, and it is not very difficult to resolve it. Just right click on the Start button. Select settings from the menu, go to the personalization tab and select whatever Windows theme you prefer, and the wallpaper will be back just as you can see here. And if this doesn't help either, then or you can go to Windows Update and then go to Update History. Then scroll down and select Uninstall Update. It will show the latest updates here. Just uninstall the latest update. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.